today's episode, I'm going to share with you the cost of changing my engine oil and transmission oil. So a little bit of a background. When I bought this car, the mileage was 82,000 kilometers, but the schedule for engine and transmission oil was 90,000 kilometers. I know it's standard practice that if you buy a used car, it's best if you change it regardless, because we don't know the history of the car. But since I've spent 5,000 plus for the suspensions, all 4 tires and the door lock issue, I actually consulted the mechanic and see whether it's okay if I just follow the schedule. He said yeah, it's okay. So I opted for that, but I don't advise you to do that. So here's the cost. To change engine oil, I spent 585 ringgit. That includes 6 liters of Mobil 1 fully synthetic oil 5W50, and also engine oil filter and oil system cleaner. For transmission oil, 4 liters, 232 ringgit, 45 ringgit for the gasket, and 68 ringgit for the oil filter. I've also changed the front wiper, Bosch, 150 ringgit, and labor cost me 120 ringgit. Altogether it cost me 1,207 ringgit. I did it at YS to MBenz, and the total cost for episode 1 and for this episode is 6,895 ringgit. So that's all for this episode, and for the next episode I'll be buying my own parts. So check me out on the next episode. Don't forget to click on the subscribe and like button.